Loren, that's a lot of noises. That's a lot of noises from the baby girl. Hi. Hi. We're going to make fun noises again. What do you want to talk about? Bless you. What do you want to talk about? Bless you. You don't want to talk anymore? Okay, I guess you're done. You won't talk whenever I'm in front of you. What are you doing with that dog? Is that dog funny? Yeah. Yeah. You reached it. You did. Yes. Is that what you're trying to do? Were you trying to touch it? Oh, hi, Iggy. Hi, Iggy. Were you trying to touch this? Yes? Okay, well, I'm going to turn off the camera now. You were just talking so much and you were so cute, I wanted to tape it. Okay. I love you. Bye-bye.